Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is D, G, K, B, E, G, I, L and the missing letter. Once again we are dealing with the letters. Let me write the positions of the letters first. For that, let me consider the given question as D, G, K, B, E, G and I, L missing letter. Well friends, one thing you might have noticed, whenever we come across with this kind of problem, it becomes easier to solve if we do remember the positions of the letters. Okay. Now what is the position of the letter D? Yes, of course it is 4. Now the position of the letter G is what? Yes, it is 7. And the position of the letter K is what? Yes, it is 11. Now the position of the letter B is what? It is 2. The position of the letter E is 5. And the position of the letter G is what? It is 7. Next, the position of the letter I. The position of the letter I is what? Of course it is 9. And what is the position of the letter L? Of course it is 12 and the missing letter. Well friends, again this is looking like very simple problem. It requires only a careful observation. Now one easy way is that this 11 is obtained if I just add 4 and 7. Now let me check whether this trick helps or not. Once again I can get 7 if I just add 2 and 5. Look at here. 4 plus 7 is what? 11. Now 2 plus 5 is what? 7. The same trick I will use to find out the missing letter. Now what I need to do? I need to add 9 and 12. If I add 9 and 12, what I will get? Of course I will get 21. Friends, this 21 indicates this 21 will be the position of the letter. Okay. Now, if you do remember, the letter U is having position 21. So the missing letter is what? It is U. Now let me check the given options. The first option is S, which is wrong. The second is T, which is wrong. The third option is U, which matches with our result. Therefore, option 3 is the right option. Well friends, we'll see some more number of problems.